2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, side head airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.